Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply receive BNB in Trust Wallet. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have your Trust Wallet opened up. And once your Trust Wallet is opened up, your first step is to actually use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. So click on this toggle and search for the BNB. And once you've searched for BNB, you're met with the various options they have, from the BNB Beacon chain to the BNB Smart Chain. So you'd be likened to work with the BNB Smart Chain. So click on the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've selected BNB Smart Chain, click on the Receive option that lies here and simply copy your address. Now, by copying your address, you're met with some other features like a set amount. You could simply click on the set amount and set amount of BNB you wish to receive, nothing more and nothing less than that amount. So that's what it does. So guys, that's how you can simply receive BNB on Trust Wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.